Wait, before you wipe that flat screen TV with your t-shirt or a paper towel. Stop. You might be doing more harm than good. Scratches, streaks, and even permanent pixel damage, all from using the wrong cleaning method. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clean your flat screen TV the safe way without damaging it and get that crystal clear picture back in under 5 minutes. Whether you own a Samsung Smart TV, an LG OLED, or even a budget Roku TV, this step-by-step guide is TV safe, budget-friendly, and totally streak-free. Let's jump in. First things first, let's talk about what not to do when cleaning your flat screen TV. Never use regular household cleaners like Windex, ammonia, or alcohol. These can strip away the protective coating on your screen and cause permanent clouding. And whatever you do, don't spray any liquid directly onto the screen. Moisture can seep into the edges and short-circuit your display, especially on newer LED and OLED models. Also, avoid paper towels, napkins, or tissues. They might feel soft, but they're rough enough to cause micro scratches. And once your screen's scratched, there's no going back. Alright, now let's talk tools. To clean your flat screen TV properly, here's what you need. A dry microfiber cloth. This is the safest and most effective material for TV screens. It gently lifts dust and smudges without scratching. Distilled water, not tap water, because minerals in it can leave streaks. Optional, a 50-50 mix of distilled water and white vinegar for tougher spots. A spray bottle, but again, you'll be spraying the cloth, not the screen. Bonus tip, if you want a commercial solution, look for one labeled as best screen cleaner for TV or safe for electronics. Always check the label. Now, let's get into the exact steps to clean your flat screen TV safely. Step 1. Turn off and unplug your TV. This isn't just about safety, it also helps you see smudges and dust better against a dark screen. Step 2. Take your dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe the screen in straight, horizontal, or vertical motions. No circles, no pressure. This will remove loose dust and particles. Step 3. For fingerprints or smudges, lightly dampen a corner of your cloth with distilled water or the vinegar solution. Then wipe the affected area gently. Step 4. Immediately follow with a dry section of the cloth to buff it out and avoid any streaks. And that's it. That's the safest way to clean your smart TV. No damage, no streaks, and no stress. Still with me? Good. Here are a few bonus tips to keep your screen looking flawless. Tip number 1. Clean your TV screen once every 1 to 2 weeks. More than that, and you might actually wear down the screen's coating. Tip number 2. If you have pets or a dusty room, consider using an anti-static screen cleaner to repel dust between cleanings. Tip number 3. Clean the frame and back vents with a separate cloth to prevent dust buildup that can overheat your TV. And remember, always check your TV manufacturer's website for their official screen cleaning recommendations. What works for a Samsung QLED might not be ideal for a Sony Bravia. So let's recap. Avoid harsh cleaners, ditch the paper towels, use a microfiber cloth, and stick to distilled water or a vinegar mix. That's how you clean your flat screen TV the right way. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you've got any stubborn smudges or unique cleaning tricks, drop them in the comments below. We love learning from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, smart home tips every week. Thanks for watching, and enjoy that crystal clear screen.